everyone, this is Jag. In this video I'm going to use this rain gutter to start my seedlings and then transfer my seedlings directly into my garden. It is a very easy and ingenious way to start your seedlings and then transplant your seedlings in your garden. Let me show you how. First, I'm starting with a rain gutter, which is about 4 feet long. The rain gutter has a depth of 4 inches, which is enough for the plants to take root and grow. I'm filling the rain gutter with growing medium, which consists of 50% potting soil and 50% coconut coir. This growing medium will retain moisture, help the roots to grow without resistance, and roots will bind to the growing medium, making the whole medium into one structural piece. In total, I filled about 3.5 feet long section of the rain gutter. I made a video on perfect soil or growing medium to use in raised beds, in-ground beds, pots or containers, and growing microgreens. Check the video out if you're interested. I'll leave a link to the video in the description. Next, I planted some green bean seeds in the rain gutter. I just placed the seeds in the growing medium and pushed the seeds in and covered with soil. Green beans grow really fast. After 3 days, the plants emerge. Almost all of my seeds germinated and the plants start to grow. Six days after planting, the plants are about 4 inches tall and continue to grow. It is still cold outside and the nighttime temperature drops to 38 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius, which is not suitable for green beans. So I waited a few more days for the temperature to become a little favorable. 12 days after planting, the plants are more than tall enough to transplant. Any bigger and I would have trouble transplanting. So I acted on transplanting these plants and decided to protect the plants with a cold frame. The plants have grown beautifully. However, it is really windy outside, which is knocking down my plants. So I hope the plants can handle the wind and survive. I dug a trench in my 4-foot wide raised bed so that I can drop the entire content of the rain gutter right into my raised bed and transplant all of my plants. As you can see, the soil does not stick to the rain gutter and should slide right off. After digging the trench, I placed my rain gutter in the trench on an incline and started to slide out all the growing medium which is bound with the roots of the plants. I shook the rain gutter just a little to slide out all the plants right into the raised bed. Since I only filled 3.5 foot section of the rain gutter, it fits right into my 4-foot wide raised bed. The wind still kept knocking down my plants, so I reinforced the plants by hilling up the soil right around the stem of the plants. After hilling up the soil, the plants started to look pretty good. It's been really windy and all my plants were toppling over, but luckily all of them survived. And this is how you grow 20 plants in a rain gutter and then transplant all of your 20 plants all at once from the rain gutter right into your raised bed. You can use this technique to transplant the plants that you can plant closer to each other, such as peas and beans. And you can even use this to transplant the plants that don't even like transplanting, such as cilantro. The possibilities are endless. To protect my plants from the wind and the cold and possible frost, I covered my plants with a cold frame. I made a video on 5 low-cost greenhouse ideas to protect your plants from cold and frost. Check out the video if you're interested. I'll leave a link to the video in the description. I hope you found this video interesting and I hope you will use this simple technique to start your seedlings and then transplant your seedlings in your garden. I also made a video about 5 trash items you can use to start your seedlings as well. I will leave a link to the video in the description if you're interested, and I'll see you in another video.